Jai Hind children, welcome in your computer like class. In today's class, we will explore more on working with layers. It is your 5th chapter children. In the previous class, I have seen that many of you have missed the class. So I suggest you to revise it, do the practice. What we have done in that class children, we have added a different layer, we renamed the layer, then how to do the how to make it hide it, how to show the layer, how to lock it, how to delete it, and how to change the order of those layers. So layers are like the transparent sheets which are stacked on top of each other, and we have practiced in the concept of layer, that how we can do those things in layer. Now the next topic which we will cover in today's class is how to design the different object, how to place it in the layers, and then after placing the layer, how it will look. If we will do animation, then how can we relate it with the different layers. Okay, so now let's see first of all let's see the PDF, and then we will switch to the practical part. Now children, in this class we will cover this. What is this children? Creating an animation with multiple layers. Creating an animation with multiple layers children. Okay, now in that what we will do children, we will draw a building, we will create a sky. See, whatever given in your book, first we will do that, and then we can explore with the different example. So drawing a building children, so for this what we will do, we will create a new file as you used to do. Create a new file by clicking on file and new option. Then they have selected the grid children. By selecting the grid are the lines, vertical lines and horizontal lines, to show you the exact alignment on the stage. Okay, आपने अगर लाइन ड्रॉ कर ली है हल्की सी बैक में, तो यू कैन इजिली अलाइन योर लाइन्स वॉट एवर यू आर ड्रॉइंग इन इट. सो यू हैव टू ड्रॉ अ बिल्डिंग ना, दैट्स वाई they have used the grid option. So click on view, go to grid and show grid. Now to draw the building we will use the tool panel, है ना. हम क्या करेंगे, what we will use, we will use the tool panel. What we will do, we will draw a building. अब ये building नहीं बनानी है तो you can draw a simple building also, no need to worry. You can draw a hut. For as a beginner you can draw a hut बना दीजिए, ठीक है. And fill some color. How you will fill the color children? By using paint bucket tool. Okay, by using paint bucket tool you will fill the color the hut according to your choice, and rename the layer by as a building. इन्होंने building रखा है, आप कुछ भी ले लो. You can use as my building, my hut, my house, whatever. So that if you will click on that layer, this particular building layer will appear and you can do the changes in that layer. लेयर में नाम रखने का सिर्फ एक ही इंटेंशन है कि you should know that on this layer which type of drawing you have drawn or which object you have placed. ठीक है. Now in the second one, if you will see, the second one is creating the sky. अब sky कैसे बनाया इन्होंने? So now you have to take another layer. You have to add another layer. अब वो layer कैसी होगी? How you will add it? So insert, you have to insert a layer na, so click on insert, then timeline, and then frame, or not frame, layer. Okay, so by using that you can insert it, or click on plus sign of the timeline, and then also you can insert a new layer. Now in the new layer what you will use, you will rename it first, rename it as a sky, and then select the rectangle tool. Rectangle tool select करके क्या होगा बच्चों, select the rectangle tool and draw a sky by using stroke color and fill color. Stroke color means the outline color and fill color means the color which you want to insert it. देखो उन्होंने बना दिया है. See, एक उन्होंने एक layer ली है ना, they have drawn a rectangle. In that rectangle they have filled a color. Which color? Sky का color क्या होता है? Sky color is blue. They have filled blue color by using which tool? By using the, come on, which tool, children? Fill color box by using the paint bucket tool. Now after that linear gradient से उन्होंने इसको सेट किया. They have set this as a linear gradient. नीचे देखो कैसे white आ रहा है बेटा, and in upper portion it is in bluish shade. So by using linear gradient they have set this. So use the paint bucket tool to draw a sky. Now sky is coming in front of the building. Why beta? Why it is coming in front of building? Because at this time, at this moment, the sky layer is at the top. Sky layer आपका top पर है. So whatever you have drawn in the sky layer, it will appear first, and then the back layer will be shown to you. हमें तो ऐसा नहीं चाहिए. We need sky at the back. So what you will do? Now drag the building layer to the top. Building layer को आप कहाँ ले आएंगे? You just drag it to the top. Okay. Now see, then the next diagram you can see that front layer, the activated layer, that is the building layer is at the front because अभी वो top पर है. That's why it is in the front, and the sky is at the back now. Okay. So in this way we will design it. After that they have added grass and road. They have added grass. Grass कैसे बनाया उन्होंने? Rectangle लिया. They have taken a rectangle and then color it with green. Road कैसे लेंगे बेटा? Again take a rectangle and color it with grey color. ये छोटे छोटे white color के dots लगा दिए गए. So by using such scenes you can create a look for your animation. फिर उन्होंने क्या लिया बेटा? They have chosen a tree. To draw a tree, again in the first chapter you know how to draw a tree trunk लोगे और उसका top बनाओगे अलग से. You will make them, you will group them, and then you will place the tree. And last they have draw a car. How? Again you will use a different layer for drawing a car. Tree के लिए अलग layer लेंगे, and for drawing a car we will take another layer and we will insert a car, or you can draw the car also. ठीक है? And after drawing it you have to convert it into symbol. By using oval tool and rectangle tool they have draw a car. Then how to move a car? Next part is this, how to move a car. And see this one. This is the scene. This one is the scene, and a building is there, sky is there at the back, some trees are in front of it, a road is also there, and a car is moving in front of it. How you will make them move? As you move the ball, you can move this one also. Okay, change it into different frames, create motion twin, and then test it by using the Ctrl plus Enter key. So you will see that a car is moving in front of this building. Although all the objects are still images. Then also you are able to see that a car is moving in front of this building. So now let's see how to do it. Now it's up time to do it by using practical. Okay. Theory portion I have shown to you. No need to read it because each and everything which is written here, see, whatever is written in here, select this, select that, draw this, select gradient tool, insert a layer, rename it, everything is a practical one. So we will do it practically. Then it will be clear to us. Okay children? So now I am going to show you the practical part. Now children, let's start the practical part. As you can see, I have opened the Animate CC window in front of you. What we will do? We will click on Create New, and then we will select the standard option. Okay, standard file having 640 by 480 resolution. So we will under the character animation we will choose the standard one. Okay, and then click on create. click on create. So by default a stage will appear on the screen having that much of width and height, which is already given in the details. Now children, as we know that in this we have to create different layers and we have to give animation in that. So for that, if you will see the page which is given in your book, page number 68, the same drawing we are now going to draw here. I am not drawing the whole building. Instead of building, I will draw a hut, and then in front of that hut we will draw the grass, we will draw the road, as well as we will draw the car, and we will give animation in that. Okay, so the moving object will be car, so we will give animation in car. Okay, now let's first rename the layer first. So how you will rename it, children? Double click on it and just rename it. Give the name as building. So I am giving its name building, because on this layer I will create a building, I will create a hut. So now my now my layer name is building. In that, click on view. Where, children? Click on view and grid. Click on view and grid option and show grid. So you can see the grids are now appearing on the screen. And what is the use of this grid, children? So that our alignment, the house alignment should be appropriate. Okay, we will use this grid to draw a hut. So for that let me draw this particular wall. Its color is, now change the color, children, change the color. So choose a different color first and just color it. You can choose your own color if it's not looking nice for you. Now on that we will create children a top. Okay, so for that we can use line tool. Choose line tool, children, and change the color first. So use black color, line, and now you can draw it. You can draw it in this way. Draw the top of this hut. Okay, if you wanted to color it, you can color it by giving some different color. Which color will be nice, children? Okay, now I'm going to draw some window, one window and one door. Okay, so for that I will choose the rectangle tool. So choose the color first. For that choose the color. Okay, and now draw it. See, this is the door, and you can draw the window also. So children, you can design in your own way. Whatever you like, you can design that particular house, building, hut. It's up to you. Now just in front of this hut we are having some grass, some trees, as well as a road. So I'm going to draw the road, but before that you have seen the sky. Okay, just beside this hut we are having the sky also. So for that we will add a new layer. So click on this plus sign, and now one layer is now added, which is now at the top of the building. Double click this layer too and rename it as sky, because on this layer I am going to draw a sky and its color will be the color of sky. So for that we will choose this rectangle, and now I'm going to draw a sky at the back of this hut. Now you can see the hut is now disappeared because the sky is at the top. So now change the color, children. Choose the paint bucket tool and change the color of sky. Okay, and now how the building will reappear? When the sky layer will be below the building layer. When the building layer will be at the top, then only you are able to see the building objects. So now I am dragging it. I am changing the order of building by dragging it at the top. Now you can see the the building is at the top right now. Okay, so whatever portion we have drawn on building, it is occupying that particular space, and the rest one is now for sky. Now children, add one more layer. So click on this new layer and rename it as road. So either grass or road, so you can write it as road. Okay, now I will draw road as well as some grass on this particular layer. So we will click on rectangle tool, and for grass, draw the grass. So this much, change the color. Okay, color should be green na? Okay, no, undo, Control Z is undo this one. Now the grass layer is now inserted, and in front of this grass we are having road. So change the color first, change the color. Okay, choose the rectangle tool and now draw it. See, the road is now in front of the grass, and there are some dotted lines. If you will see your picture which is drawn in your book, so for that choose the line and the color should be white. Now draw the road lines in this way. You can draw it. So now it will appear, its look is now as same as the road. Okay, now on this road we have to insert a car. So in your book they have drawn it and they have converted it into an object. But what I will do, beta, I will insert an object, which the car which I already downloaded from the internet and saved it on my PC. I will use that car only. So click on plus sign to insert a layer first. Layer 4 is now activated. Double click on it and rename it as car. Rename it as car, children. And now on this particular layer which is at the top, we will insert a car. So click on file, import, and import to stage. What your ma'am has done right now, how you will find that, how you will insert the car which you have downloaded and saved it in your PC. You will click on file, import, and import to stage. Now choose the car which you wanted to insert, and see, the car is now inserted, but it's not moving now because of the selection tool. Click on selection tool and now place it here. Okay, on the road. Its place will be here. Okay, now it's big enough. So how you will resize it? So just below the selection tool you are having free transform tool. Just below the selection tool, if you will see my cursor, the first tool is selection tool, and just below it is free transform tool. Click and resize it, children. Click and resize. So this is enough now. Okay, now already we have inserted. Now what we will do, children? We will drag it. What we will drag? We will drag the house? No, we will drag the car from one place to another place. So for that, what you have to do, now we are entering in the part of animation. Earlier what your ma'am has done till now, we have created the layers, different layers we have created some object. Like on building, we have created the building. On the sky layer we have drawn a sky and the color is the sky color. Road, on the road layer we have inserted some grass layer and the road, and on the car layer I have imported a car. Okay, pre-designed car. You can create it also, it will take time. That's why for saving the time I have imported it, which I imported this picture which I have saved in my PC. Okay, now for animating this, first we have to click on layer 60. Press F5 to select the first layer Again click on the second layer, road layer, and at frame 60 press F5. Then same process will apply on building layer. Select frame 60 and press F5 and click on sky. Select 60 frame and F5. Now children, for animation we have to drag it from this to this. So what your ma'am will do, just see it. We have to move the car, so we will click on car. We will click on car layer. Right click on the car layer and click on create motion twin. What your ma'am has done, right click on the car and create motion twin. Okay, now the next part, insert a keyframe and choose the position. Insert keyframe and choose the position. Now what is the position? The car should move from here to here. Okay, ऐसे. You can change it straight. Okay, now click on frame 30. Again do the same thing. What you will do, right click on insert keyframe and choose position, same option, and drag it children, drag it straight. See, it's going straight now. Then click on frame 45, right click, insert keyframe and choose position. In this position it is moving children, in this way. And click on frame 60, right click, insert keyframe. Why it is going out, that's why Control Z beta, Control Z. Okay, and now click here, right click, insert keyframe, position, and now move till here. So in this way we have moved the car from one place to another place. Okay, what your ma'am has done, ma'am has in the beginning ma'am right clicked on it and choose the create motion twin. Right now it is showing remove motion twin because I have selected that option. Which option? Create motion twin. So after that, in between these we will right click somewhere to choose the keyframe. So first see the animation. See, the car is moving. Only the motion is on the car, because we have applied on that layer only. The other layers are now, they are not affected, isn't it? You can draw a tree, you can draw stars, whatever you wanted to draw, you can draw it and give animation in that particular layer in which you wanted to give it. Am I clear why this line is appearing here? I have to check this children, but for today's practical what we have done, you just revise it. We have created few layers. Okay, slowly I am giving you the topics children. In this particular period we will create the different, we will focus on creating the different layers and giving animation in that only. In the next class we will do masking and then rotation in masking and all. So what we have done till now children, revise it. We have created new layer and we have by clicking this plus icon. Okay, by clicking this plus icon you can see the new layer can be inserted when you will click on this plus icon. See, I have inserted it, and double click on that layer so that you can rename it. So but I have to delete it, it's extra one, so delete it children. Now after drawing the building, first we have drawn the building, then we have drawn the sky. Sky is capturing the building, so the building is above the sky, that's why the building part is now visible to us. Then we have created road, on that we have created some grass area and road area, and at last we have created the car. Not in your book they have created, but I have imported. From where you can import, click on file, import, and import to stage. It's not activated right now, but you can click on import to stage to import any object on that particular layer. Then select all the layers one by one and just frame it till 60. Okay, you can frame it till 80 also, to till 100, it's your choice. I have framed it till 60. And here, okay, on the car layer, you just click the car layer, because on the car layer only we have to give motion. So we will right click here, where beta, at 0 frame we will right click and we will select create motion twin, and in between those area we will choose we will right click and insert keyframe and position. We will choose the position. One by one we will change its position so that our car should move from one position to another position. Right click in between the particular layer and insert keyframe. What? Insert keyframe and choose position. Choose position. Okay, to change the position of the object, the layer which you have selected. So in this way, if you will test it, the car is now moving. Okay, the car is now moving, children. I hope this part is clear to you. Okay, see, you can rewind it to see it again. If the concept is not clear to you, you can replay this video, children, again and again. Or what I can do, I can make the animation again. Control Z. Okay, let's see. I am deleting one by one. I am deleting, children. One more time I am giving the animation. First, how to give the animation. So we have selected all the 4 layer. How you can select? Just click on this frame number 60 and press F5 or right click and insert frame. Okay, shortcut key is F5. So in this way we will select all the layers till 60. Now this is the playhead, children. This is the playhead. So drag it till here and right click, create motion twin. On which layer? On the car layer. On the car layer. Now we will click somewhere in between the frame 0 to frame 60. We will right click and insert keyframe through position. Now we will change the position. See, position is changing, but it is not moving in a straight way. So you can make it straight. You can make it straight, otherwise it will move in zigzag way. Now again right click, insert keyframe and position and change its position. See, you can change the position, children. Again right click somewhere else in and insert frame, keyframe and choose position. Again change the position, children, and here at the last playhead right click, create, insert keyframe and position, and now drag it. So see that it's changing now. So now when you will play it, control plus enter, the car will move. Car will move. Car is not moving as proper as earlier because of the positioning, है ना? So you have to set the position, you have to adjust it properly so that it will move properly. Okay, children? I hope it is clear. Huh? Children, I hope the practical part of this session is clear to you. How to create the different layers, how to set the different objects in it, and all together if you will see those layers, what should be the ordering of the layer so that you can see each and every object of those layer which you have inserted, and then a moving car we have seen in this particular practical. Now if you are having this Animate CC, practice it. You can make the different animation also and you can show it to me. Otherwise, how you will show, children? Either make the file, link it and send it to me, or you can just click the pictures that ma'am I made this one, and then also I can satisfy myself that yes, my children are doing. So please do it, revise it. If you are not having, go through the book, see the steps which is given in your book, and then try to connect it with your mind. Okay, till then, children, take care of yourself and revise the previous chapter's question.